Good morning, students. Today we are discussing about some promotional advertising media. The promotional advertising media aims at contacting the customers at the last point of the purchase in order to make a last attempt to persuade him to go for the advertiser's goods. That is a promotional advertising. The basic aim of promotional advertising is to contact the customer at the last point of the purchase, the last moment of purchase, and to make an attempt to persuade him or her to purchase a particular advertiser's product. That is a promotional advertising. Let us explain some techniques of promotional advertising. Firstly, window displays. It is familiar to you. It implies displaying of goods in the window of a shop. It is window showmanship or window display. And window of the shop or a store in the front, in front of the shop, or the sides of the shop, which are used to display the products. Okay. That is, the glass windows of the shops are usually decorated attractively and the prices of the products are displayed. It is usually for targeting the customers at the last moment of purchase. Okay, that is the basic purpose of this window display is to come and have it. Okay, it is very popular in almost all shops, window displays. Next technique is counter displays. It is also known as interior display. Here the products are also displayed inside the shop. While the in window display, the products are displayed on the in front of the shop, along with the or in front of the window, whereas the counter displays are inside the shop. The products are displayed inside the shop. That is, the attention of the real buyer who step into the shop is diverted towards articles or products displayed. This is the purpose of counter display. Okay, and it is very good. It is good for introducing a particular product, especially new products by a manufacturer to the customers who are visiting the shop. That is a counter display. Okay. Next is showrooms. These are specially designed rooms or room cum office rented or owned located in the prominent place of the sales territory and used mainly for displaying and demonstration. That is showrooms. Okay, generally all industrial or consumer durable manufacturing houses have their own showrooms in all important cities of the country. Okay, it is specially designed for displaying or exhibiting their products. Okay. Through the showrooms, they are explaining the product features, merits, and for providing demonstration and after-sale service like showroom of Maruti, Hyundai, etc. Okay. The next is exhibitions. This is very common in nowadays, and an exhibition is a large fair where producers producing different products and they are displaying the products to dealers or to the consumers. That is exhibitions. Okay, it's also a promotional advertising tool. The next is trade shows. Trade shows are organized by trade association and may be part of the association or annual meeting or convention, and the participants in these trade shows are sellers, wholesalers or retailers and the consumers of a particular product. Okay, it is something like exhibition, but it is usually organized by trade organizations or trade associations. Okay, next type of promotional media is samples. Under this, free samples. Free samples means free quantity of a particular product are distributed to the consumers on a trial basis, and the consumers are asked to try the sample of the product and decide whether it good or not. Okay, and sometimes samples are also distributed on door-to-door basis. And this media of advertising is especially useful in promoting new product. But it is a costly method in the initial period. The companies who can afford such a cost can only introduce this kind of advertising medias. Okay, the next is coupons. Coupons generally offer discount between 5 to 10% on the next purchase of the product. The retailers redeem the coupons as soon as they are presented. Okay, there are different methods of distribution of coupons. They may be delivered house to house or published in the press or printed on the back of the product to encourage repeat purchase or inserted inside the pack. That is coupon. Then last one, premiums. These are bonus or free gifts with the purchase of another product, such as free toothbrush with every purchase of a toothpaste pack. This is a bonus or a premium. Okay, and sometimes bonus items are given in return for the label, and they have proved to be effective in getting consumers to try a new product of a different brand. And these are premiums. So these are the important techniques of promotional advertising. Then there are some miscellaneous advertising medias such as cinema advertising. And cinema advertising, under this advertising media there are three techniques such as documentary advertising film and sponsored advertising film. What is a documentary? A documentary film is used for publicity and mostly it is educative in nature, such as and such advertisements are generally made by manufacturers association or government for educating the people. Especially the purpose of a documentary is for educating people. Okay, then advertising films. These are in fact short publicity films which are generally shown in the cinema halls before the start of the feature film. That is advertising film. Okay, then last type of sponsored advertising film. They are short type films carrying the sales message of a particular manufacturer or brand, and these are a combination of advertisement and entertainment. Sponsored advertising film is a combination of advertisement and entertainment. Okay, and such films are short duration and have got a specific purpose behind it. Okay, so cinema continues to be one of the fastest growing advertising media. Okay, then what are the advantages of this miscellaneous advertising media or cinema advertising? First advantage is it have a high coverage. Okay, there will be a great number or a large number of audience. That is the one of the main advantage or major advantage, have a high coverage. And secondly, there is another advantage. Advertisers can explain and demonstrate the use of the products very clearly. Okay, through the feature films or advertising films, an advertiser can explain and demonstrate the use of the product very effectively. Then another advantage is its appeal goes to every section of people, whether educated or not. Okay, through the films there is a visual appeal also, other than a print message. There is a video presentation. So it can be it can educate people who or it can convey the message to people who are educated or not. And so the cinema advertising delivers advertisers a premium marketing opportunity in a unique environment. Okay, it provides a premium marketing opportunity. And so the cinema audience has a unique audience and comprised of highly desirably they are young and well educated. Okay, and so such category of target customers can be focused through film advertising or cinema advertising. So these are the advantages of miscellaneous advertising media.